So how was musical for you tonight? I think I'm doing it right. Oh my gosh, that was the best one so far! Hannah, look, you ripped it. Oh my gosh, you ripped it! Hannah! Hannah, you ripped. Gosh dang it.
So this was how to get you two together. I
Yes.
should've just brought Helium a long time ago.
You should have brought Helium. I promise this isn't going to kill me. Hannah, I can't. Oh, there it is.
You just make out with it. Put your mouth on it.
Hannah, shut up! She's so stupid. Mom, it's smoking.
Yeah, I know.
Mom, I
It's-
can
it's
feel it
not
like
gonna
go
be
into
good.
my soul. Is that bad?
Saliva.
Like if I can
Ew.
feel it go into me.
Is that bad?
Hannah, you just have ew. See, it's gross. You got it all over it. Ew, nasty. It's like I'm kissing you, but I'm not. Hannah, it's not gonna work. I don't want your spit. Well, it's already all over. Great. Never say never.
We have to get to
Justin
yes,
Bieber can go jump off a cliff and you can join him.
With Ed Sheeran.
No, don't. He can stay. Ed Sheeran can stay, you know. New favorite artist or whatever her name is. Come on, hurry up. It's pretty much gone. Nuh-uh. That's the rest of it. Too bad, so sad. Don't care. No, I grabbed the rest of it.
Mom, I want more balloons. So I can get high more.
No, this is not get you high, stupid.
It doesn't. It just makes you sound like that.
Stupid.
You don't sound like this when you're high.
Okay, now say my name. Like really loud, like you're shouting for my name.